If you want to download music into your Apple Watch, first of all on your iPhone, you will have to start by opening Apple Music application. Now you will have to go into your library in the right bottom corner, go into the playlists, and you will have to click on the three dots in the right upper corner and simply create a new playlist. Set the name as you want. Also, we can add some cover. Click on the right upper corner to finish, and here, as you can see, it is. So now I can find some suggestions. I can quickly add them by clicking on the plus, but also if I want to add some specific music, I can simply go for the search, input artist name or simply song name or some lyrics. So let's say I want to add some Bieber songs. There we go. We have to go for the search and we got artist with some music. So let's say I want to add Love Yourself. Now we have to click on this marker in the right upper corner. And now as you can see, the playlist was created. We got 3 songs. So now what you have to do is just to go back into the watch application on our iPhone. Now we have to scroll down and search for the music application. Then we'll have to go to add music. And we have to go to the playlists. And now as you can see, we can simply import our playlist just like this. Now you have to click on this icon and now it starts sending this playlist into your Apple Watch. If you want to only add some like 2 or 3 songs, not the whole playlist, you can also do that by clicking over here and now just simply search for music that you already download, or for example for some artists. So let's pick something from 6ix9ine. Here we have something. Let's click here and now it will be also added into our Apple Watch. And now we can just find it straight on your Apple Watch by going into the Apple Music application. So let's check if it is already available, but I believe that we have to actually wait a little bit. So instead of the home, we'll have to go into our library. Here we can find playlists. And as you can see, currently it doesn't actually send it. So I have to actually wait. Okay, I've got notification that I just didn't turn on. I mean, it's just not connected. So I have to check my Bluetooth connection. I just turned it off for some reason and it's not gonna synchronize. Yeah, as you can see, this is the reason why the music is still not yet on my device, because I just simply turned off the Bluetooth on my Apple Watch and the iPhone cannot actually connect. So that's basically everything. Now after this circle disappear, it means that you successfully synchronized the music, and that's all. I hope you find it useful.